Hey everyone, it's Crafty Crochet Lady, and we're going to go over some of the absolute basics for. Oh, and my cat just walked by. Alright, so the first thing that we'll do is take our yarn. I'm using Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn in the color Jelly Bean. And I will show you guys how to do a triple crochet stitch. So we will make our slip knot. And I'm going to just chain 20 for this one. But you, of course, chain as many as you need for your pattern. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, so I have 20 chains right here, which is fine for just a small swatch that I'm doing. So the first thing that we're going to do is we will go into the third chain from our hook, put our yarn over the hook once and twice for a triple, and that's US terms triple. Just wanted to clarify that. So a US triple crochet stitch. And we'll go into that third chain, pull up our yarn, and go through 2 loops, over and through 2 loops, and over and through the last 2 loops. So that is a US triple crochet stitch. And I believe in the UK terms it is a double triple. But I'll just be using the US terms triple here. So we'll just go over our hook twice, around and around, so you have those 2 loops around the hook, the 2 bits of yarn. We'll just go around our hook twice and into our next chain and pull a loop through and over and through the first 2, over and through the second 2, over and through the third 2. So you're basically doing a double crochet stitch with just an extra step to it. So I'll just show you that a few more times so you get used to it. And we'll go over the hook once and around and over it twice. Then into this next chain, go through and pull up a loop. And then we will go over our hook and pull it through the first 2 and over and through the second 2 and over and through the last 2. And those are your triple crochet stitches. So I will just do that till the end of the row. We'll go around our hook twice, into the next chain, over and pull through, and then through the next 2, over and pull through the next 2, and over and pull through the last 2. So that's what we will do down the rest of this chain. I'll just go a little faster just so you guys can see. And it's pretty simple. You just do that extra turn around the hook as if you're making a double crochet, but instead you're just going around the hook one more time. So that way you pull through 3 times instead of 2. And triple crochets, they are used in pretty much anything you can think of, and it just gives some more height to a project. Yeah, it just gives some more height. It makes it a little bit more interesting than just a double crochet. And I've seen it in blankets and pretty much anything that you can think of. It's just a nice change from a double and gives you a bit of height. So if you are making something like a blanket or a scarf, it'll be done a bit faster than it would be if you had just done double crochets, since it is a taller stitch. So that is the triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. And at the end of your row, you're just going to do 3, or sometimes people use 4 chains at the beginning of the row. I guess it depends on what your pattern says for you to chain, but I've done 3. So just keep going around your hook twice and into the next chain or stitch, and that is about it. Come to the end of our row, and now you know how to make the triple crochet. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.